Hier zijn ze, speciaal voor ons live op Radio 2, Certain Animals.
It's a cold summer and the mist is coming down on the fields and all around. There's an old plumber came to take the water down from the house into the ground. When the rage into the tide, making workmen sleeping tight. Just a whisper sets the stage for all your heart to burst the cage. Burning out this old town. It takes a moment and you're done out. Burning out till it all comes down. Till there's nothing left to drown. As the light flickers, another step now we must take. The endless flood has to break. Just a whisper, just a word, making sure that I'll be heard. I will rage against the tide. I will work and sleep in time. Burning out this old town. It takes a moment and then you're burning out till it all comes down. Till there's nothing left to drown. It takes a moment and then you're down.
Yes! Cold Summer was dat van Certain Animals.